Sean Malto. Great to see him in here. 31 years old from Kansas City, Kansas. Next in, Sean Malto.
Backs it over crook.
Oh, the front crook getting away from him. Nollie front nose. We got 20 seconds left for Sean. Nollie front board down the rail. Cruising around the course, he's got good speed. Backside nose blunt. And last trick. Oh, that was a really good switchback Smith. Really, really dipped.
Sean has great dips.
And a 4.8 for Malto. He's going to need to look. I'm excited to see where Malto goes on these.
Oh, wow. Now that was easy to watch. Easy on the eyes. Nollie frontside crook.
So he's got that 4.8 on the line. 6.5 right there.
We have Sean Malto coming in. Going for a Nollie frontside feeble. That was sick.
Super well done.
Now I think the judges really do like to see when tricks.
All right, score in 6.2. Malto coming in next.
He's working his way up, but he needs to put down a heavy one.
Oh, going for that hard flip.
Now over that gap, you have to pop a little bit earlier to get your flicks. It makes it harder, and you still need the speed to clear the gap. So you have to flick your board.
In 11th right now. He needs a 6-4 if he wants to get into 8th place. Oh.
That's not a trick you usually see Sean bail, neither. It's got a really cool hard flip. And that's the way it goes. Sometimes you get it, and sometimes it's just skateboarding.